Welcome. Today we are going to look at a very interesting topic, coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, enjoyed by millions of people every day. But for years, people have debated whether coffee is healthy or not. In this video, we'll take a look at what the science says about coffee's health benefits, and help you make an informed decision about whether or not to include it in your diet. Historical perspective. Coffee has a long and fascinating history, dating back to ancient Ethiopia. According to legend, a goat herder named Kaldi noticed that his goats became more energetic after eating coffee beans. He tried them himself and discovered their stimulating effects. From there, coffee spread to the Arabian Peninsula, where it became a popular drink among Muslim scholars. It eventually made its way to Europe, where it became a cultural icon. Today, coffee is enjoyed all over the world. Health benefits. So, what does the science say about coffee's health benefits? Well, research has shown that coffee may have a number of health benefits. For example, it may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and liver cancer. It may also help improve cognitive function, boost metabolism, and even protect against certain types of heart disease. While coffee does have potential health benefits, it's important to also consider the potential harm that excessive coffee consumption can cause. One potential harm of coffee is that it can cause insomnia, anxiety, and other sleep disturbances, especially if consumed in large amounts or later in the day. Additionally, high caffeine intake can lead to increased heart rate and blood pressure, which may be harmful for individuals with pre-existing cardiovascular conditions. Furthermore, excessive coffee consumption can also cause digestive issues such as acid reflux and diarrhea. It's also important to note that coffee is often consumed with added sugar and cream, which can add excess calories and potentially lead to weight gain. Ultimately, like with many things, moderation is key when it comes to coffee consumption. While moderate coffee intake has been linked to potential health benefits, excessive consumption can lead to negative consequences. It's important to listen to your body and make informed decisions about your coffee consumption. Caffeine content. Of course, one of the main active ingredients in coffee is caffeine. While caffeine can provide a number of benefits, such as increased energy and focus, it can also have negative effects, such as increased anxiety and insomnia. It's important to keep in mind that different types of coffee have varying amounts of caffeine, so it's a good idea to pay attention to how much you're consuming. Alternative options. If you're looking for an alternative to coffee, there are a number of options that you can consider. Here are a few examples. Herbal teas. Herbal teas are a great alternative to coffee, as they are typically caffeine-free and come in a variety of flavors. Chamomile, peppermint, and ginger are all popular options. Green tea. Green tea contains caffeine, but in smaller amounts than coffee. It also contains a variety of antioxidants and other compounds that have been linked to potential health benefits. Matcha. Matcha is a type of green tea that is ground into a fine powder and whisked with hot water. It has a higher caffeine content than regular green tea, but is still lower in caffeine than coffee. Matcha is also rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Golden milk. Golden milk is a turmeric-based drink that is often consumed as a caffeine-free alternative to coffee. It typically contains ingredients like turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper, and is often made with plant-based milk. Water. While it may not provide the same energy boost as coffee, staying hydrated with water is essential for overall health and well-being. Ultimately, the best alternative to coffee will depend on your personal preferences and needs. It's a good idea to experiment with different options to find what works best for you. In conclusion, coffee can be a healthy part of your diet, but it's important to consume it in moderation and pay attention to how it affects your body. By understanding the science behind coffee's health benefits, you can make an informed decision about whether or not to include it in your diet. Thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe if you have not done so. Bless you. Have a nice day.